Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great. Although we all are waiting for the revised cutoff, but suddenly we came to know about the exam date of the INSET November examination. So here is the official info which is shown on your screen, and the exam date is the 5th November 2023. Now the basic registration has been started already from the 15th September 2023. So these are the complete details which is shown on your screen regarding the registration and everything. Regarding the INSET exam preparation, I have already told you that we have a last 5 years past paper, that too including the May examination as well as the November examination paper in the form of PDF, that too with solution. But definitely it's a paid PDF, so for that you can either drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, and then you can ask for the PDF of the INSET of any EO which you want, including the 2023 May paper is also available with solution. Now followed by that, the INSET test series are also available. The preparation group is there with the unlimited questions, that with the 24/7 doubt session is available for you. So you can join that, and followed by the live classes are also available which will start from the 1st October onwards. So don't forget to join any of the part or the whole complete procedure if you want to prepare for the INSET November examination. As we know that comparatively it is quite earlier. Usually INSET examination used to happen at the last week of the November. That is after 20 November we usually came to know about the examination. Now this time we see it in the first week of the November. So let's see the INSET planner which is available for you. Fabricating this video on the 15th September, so our planner starts from tomorrow onwards. That is the 16th September 2023 onwards. So from the 16th September till the 22nd September 2023, you have to do the two subjects in combination. One is the oral pathology because it is the vast subject, and second one is the periodontology, which is quite interesting. And if you do this combination, definitely you can cover the subject, both the subject, very easily. Moreover, you can divide one day into half, and then you can do half subject like for half day, and then another half day for the another subject also. Or else you can divide first 2-3 days for the OP followed by the periodontology. Now, after the 22nd September, from the 22nd September 2023 till the 26th September 2023, you have to do the oral surgery with the third year subject, that is general surgery. The reason behind is both have a very common topics in each other. So if you cover one topic, definitely you can cover its general surgery treatment also. So that's why I combine this subject, and that will help you to complete the whole subject in just one topic. You can complete and cover both the subjects. Followed by, there is one day for the physiology, which is the first year subject, that is on the 27th September 2023. Followed by, from the 20th September to the 3rd October, anatomy plus endodontics is important. Endodontics means that part of endo which you used to read and learn in the final year of the dentistry. So anatomy with the endodontic part is there till 3rd October. Followed by, from the 4th October to 7th October, prosthodontics and pedodontics is the combination, because there are lots of topic which quite, especially the complete denture or some handicapped people or something which have a cleft lip, cleft palate. So a two different kind of a subject is combined together. Very important topics are there in both the subjects, so you need to do it thoroughly. Followed by, the 8th October 2023 to the 11th October 2023, you can do the biochemistry with the OMR. Although biochemistry seems to be very boring subject, so I combine it with the OMR, which is having the very more weightage and definitely one of the most important subject for INSET examination. Followed by the 12th October is again for the physiology, followed by the 3rd October pathology and microbiology is the two subjects which already combined together. We have the habit to read them together since our second year onwards. So that's why without changing anything, we just combine it together again. Now the 17th October 2023 is for the PhD, Public Health Dentistry, or we can say the Community Dentistry subject. 19th October till the 21st October, the GM, General Medicine plus DADH is very important. Again, the two different subjects are combined together. You get tired of learning with the medicine's name and everything and the treatment in detail, you can switch over to the interesting theory part that is related to the development and everything. So I think two contrasting subjects will help you to cover more and will make your interest to cover and prepare very well. Now followed by that, on 22nd and 23rd October, we will cover the conservative dentistry. That means that part of endodontics or the conservative dentistry which we used to cover and learn in our first year and second year onwards, just like the GV Black classification, hand instruments and so on. Followed by the 24th October to 27th October, we will give only for the pharmacology. That is most vast, most important, a bit boring for the students and are difficult to learn and grab. So clear your concept, and if you still have any doubt, you can contact me by any of the mode. Followed by the 28th October to 31st October, you can do the DM plus ortho. DM means dental materials, followed by the orthodontics. And have 4 days in which you can revise. And don't forget to cover the past paper in between if you get tired of doing and covering these topics, or while doing the preparation, you need to go through the past papers, the hot topics, basically give more priority to the clinical questions. Now followed by that, there is one more video already out on my channel regarding the pattern of the examination of INSET, which is already out on my channel. If you haven't checked out that video, please do check out that video. I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. That's all about the today's planner. All the very best for the preparation. Thank you for watching.